Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the LCD cover on your Lenovo Yoga 714 ITL05. This repair can be done at home with the right tools and steps. Let's get started. ### tools needed. 1. Phillips screwdriver, size number 00. 2. Plastic prying tool. 3. Tweezers. 4. Suction cup tool. 5. Anti-static wrist strap. 6. Replacement LCD cover. ### Step 1. Power off and prepare. First, ensure your device is powered off completely. Disconnect any peripherals and remove any memory cards. For safety, wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the internal components. ### Step 2. Remove the back cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws from the back cover. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use your plastic prying tool to gently pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges. ### Step 3. Disconnect the battery. After removing the back cover, locate the battery connector. Use your tweezers to gently disconnect the battery. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair process. ### Step 4. Remove the LCD screen. Next, locate the screws securing the LCD screen. Carefully remove these screws. Once done, use the suction cup tool to lift the LCD screen gently. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as there may be cables still connected. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. ### Step 5. Clean the internal components. With the LCD screen removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. Use a soft brush or compressed air to ensure the internal components are free of dust. This will help maintain the performance of your device. ### Step 6. Install the new LCD cover. Now, take your replacement LCD cover and align it with the hinges. Ensure it fits snugly into place. Once aligned, secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you're unsure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. ### Step 7. Reconnect the battery. Reattach the battery connector carefully. Ensure it is seated properly to avoid any power issues. ### Step 8. Replace the back cover. Align the back cover back onto the device. Press down gently to snap it into place. Finally, replace the screws that secure the back cover. Ensure all screws are tightened but avoid over-tightening. ### Final steps. Power on your Lenovo Yoga 714 ITL05 and check if the new LCD cover is functioning correctly. If you face any issues, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. No calls, no travel, just ease and convenience. Additionally, you can request a quote before any repair is undertaken. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Lenovo Yoga 714 ITL05. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.